Hello class 9 Springfielders. In the previous session, we have done introduction of lesson 5 Biosphere. Today we start with lesson 5 Biosphere Natural Vegetation. In this we are going to learn about what is a natural vegetation and types of natural vegetation. Natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? It refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undistributed by humans for a long time. Natural vegetation is generally classified into three broad categories. 1. Forest in areas with sufficient rainfall and sunshine. 2. Grasslands in region with moderate rains and 3. Shrubs in dry regions. 4. In very cold region we have tundra vegetation consisting of small shrubs, moss and lynches. Tropical evergreen forest. The first type of natural vegetation, tropical evergreen forest. These forests are also called tropical rainforest or equatorial forest. As they are on the other side of the equator, they are also called as equatorial forest. They are called as tropical rainforest because they lie in the tropical zone and there is an abundant rainfall. So that's why it is also called as tropical rainforest. It is also called as tropical evergreen forest because it lies in tropical region and throughout the year it is always green, the forest. That's why it is also called as tropical evergreen forest. These thick forests are found on the either side of equator. They are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. The trees do not shed their leaves altogether. These the reason they are called evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spaced trees do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest even in the daytime. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here. These forests are in India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Kerala, and in Africa, Congo. Reptiles like snakes and lizards, birds like parrots, mammals like jaguars, etc. Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous are the monsoon forests found in large parts of India, northern Australia, and in Central America. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood trees found in these forests are sal, teak, neem, and shisham. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport, and constructional material. Tigers, lions, elephants, langurs, and monkeys are the animals commonly found in these regions. Temperate evergreen forest. They are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continent, for example, in southeast USA, South China, and in southeast Brazil. They do not shed their leaves altogether. They comprise of both hard and soft wood like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. Reindeer, caribou, mongoose, eagles, and owls are common in temperate evergreen forest. Tropical temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forests are located in the higher latitudes. These are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, as well as in the coastal region of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, fox, wolves are common animals. Birds like pheasants, monarchs are found here. Let us recap what we have learnt. We have come to know about types of natural vegetation. 1. Tropical evergreen forest. 2. Tropical deciduous forest. 3. Temperate evergreen forest. 4. Temperate deciduous forest. Time for homework. Search the answers and write question answers in homework notebook. 1. How are natural vegetation classified? 2. Write 2 features of tropical evergreen forest. 3. Write 2 features of tropical deciduous forest. Meet you in the next session with the continue of types of natural vegetation. Thank you. Have a nice day.